everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. For today's episode, we're going to do something about banana. This banana has been neglected and turning into brown. So I'm gonna show you how to do a delicious banana loaf bread. So stick around, guys. Ingredients for this: you will need 3 overripe bananas. You will need a half a cup of brown sugar and half a cup of white sugar. You will need 1 egg and 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of chocolate chips, and a third of a cup of walnuts. All right, guys, and of course your baking dish. Okay. And of course, 1 and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, so you need to sieve it. Okay, guys. By chopping the walnut first, so that the walnut is ready when the butter is ready, so I can combine the walnut with the butter easily. Okay, so I will chop it. Just chop it nicely. You don't need to make it too small. And I didn't roast it because it's gonna cook anyway when I bake it. All right, guys. For the flour, you need 1 and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. So I'm going to sieve it, but I'm going to combine the baking soda and the salt as well. So when I sieve them together. All right, guys. Okay, let's start mashing our bananas. So using a fork, we can start mashing the bananas, and then we'll combine the rest. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Anyway, so we will use the fork to mash the bananas, and then afterward we'll start to put the sugar, and then we'll put the egg, and then we'll put the rest of the other ingredients. The last thing you have to add it here are the walnuts and the chocolate chips. Okay, after the flour, you will put the chocolate chips and the walnut. Alright, guys, so just mix them together. So very easy. So if you have a leftover bananas, don't throw it away. Try to make a banana bread because it's very easy and yet delicious. Alright. So after you added the flour, the butter will look like this. And then you added the chocolate chips and the walnut as well, okay? Okay, now it's time to butter our baking dish. For some reason, I forgot to do it in the first hand. Anyway, I'm going to butter it, the inside. And then if you want to use parchment paper, that's okay as well. You can do that. And make sure to preheat your oven for 350 degrees. So we'll try to bake this for 70 minutes to 75 minutes, okay? Depends on your oven, but normally I bake it for 70 minutes. Okay, guys? And then we'll pour the butter afterwards, all right? Butter, I'm adding some chocolate chips on the top of the my banana bread, and I'm also gonna put some of the remaining walnut that I chopped. Okay, guys, and then it's ready to be baked. My banana loaf bread is It's already been baked. Can't wait to dig on this. It looks so delicious. Yay! With this guy, my banana loaf bread, and it looks so delicious. As you can see, the chocolate, the walnut. Oh my god, this is gonna be delicious. Anyway, guys, I hope you like this video, and don't throw away any leftover bananas that you got there. You can always make a banana loaf bread, and it's really delicious. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.